Want to use Excel without paying for it and learn one of the most powerful formulas such as SUMIF? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to get Excel for free, plus how to use SUMIF to total your data like a pro. Let's jump right in. Firstly, you can use Excel for free online. Go to office.com. Sign in with a free Microsoft account or create one. Click the Excel icon and boom, you can use Excel in your browser completely free. It's not as powerful as the desktop version, but it works great for basic tasks and formulas like SUMIF. Let's say you have a sales list and you want to total sales only from one region or only by one person. That's where SUMIF comes in. The goal with this would be to work out the total sales made by Alice. So the formula would be equals SUMIF, opening brackets, a 2A4, comma, speech marks, Alice, speech marks, comma, C2C4, closing brackets. So A2 to A4 would be the range to check for the name, Alice would be the condition, and C2 to C4 would be the sales to sum. This will return 350, the total sales made by Alice. Want total sales from just the East region? The formula would be equals SUMIF, opening brackets, B2 to B4, comma, speech marks, East ending speech marks, C2 to C4, closing brackets. Boom, same idea, different condition. And that's it. You've learned how to get Excel for free and how to use SUMIF to filter and total data in seconds. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more productivity hacks. Drop a comment with what you want to learn next. See you next time.